The bottom two, they're like 3-inch. Those are like universal caps.
Tan ones will work.
The tan ones?
Yes, sir.
Do you need more?
No, I got those two, so we should be good. So this was my plan. This will be all raised. This is going to be your step down here.
The whole, this area, all of the patio part will be raised.
And level out to your driveway. So your step will be right here.
Okay, so this will be up on that same, because I know he's talking about maybe using, did you do it according to the, okay.
Don't forget we got to cut it.
Okay, yeah, yeah, because he wants to maybe set like a little stove here,
Okay.
just so we have enough.
Round like it is, and it rounds
Okay, so you're gonna step, but is it gonna be a legitimate step?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We're gonna face it with these, so.
Okay, so it's gonna be like a at least a 5-inch.
Look, just like that.
Okay.
So this will be the bottom, and this will be the top panel.
That's cool.
And this will be the faces, so you won't even see the stone.
Okay, no, that's very cool. So if y'all were catching any of this, as you can tell, there's often flies in the ointment, and there's often design on the fly. So as far as this goes, we went over top of his existing concrete pad, and so we prefer to use full-size pavers if at all possible. They do make remodel pavers. The problem with the remodel pavers is they're not as good a quality as a full-size paver, so they're not compressed, and over the long haul they don't last. And then when you do utilize remodel pavers and then transition to regular pavers, they don't match. So we're trying to do this all at one level, and what our foreman Mike pointed out is the pitch, because we're on top of the concrete here, so we're up almost 3 inches. The pitch from this point where the patio area stops and then the sidewalk begins down to the driveway was going to be too much of a ramp. So he's effectively going to make a step at the entryway here where the patio area starts and then drop the sidewalk down, so we'll be at a better level going forward from the patio. So it's a tweak, and I appreciate Mike, coming up with that idea. Obviously our designer didn't come up with that idea when he started this, but those are the kinds of things that in process you do sometimes have to make adjustments. So as you check in on this project further, you're going to see the whole project's going to turn out really killer. So thanks for stopping by.